I'll be sharing with you my top 5 writing tools, both free and paid, that will help you write faster, better, and even more confidently. There is a part 1 of this video where I talked about the first 3 writing tools for me. So go check it out. Number 4, you have the Hemingway's app. Hemingway's app is the opposite of Scrivener because it helps you simplify your writing. So if you have a writing that is too complex, maybe your language in that writing is too complex and you feel that your audience might not be able to understand, but you don't know how to break it down or simplify it, Hemingway will help you simplify your writing to a way that your readers will be able to flow with it without losing your message or authenticity. Amazing, right? And it's also available in the free and paid version. Number 5 is Canva. A lot of people know Canva to be just designing tools, design flyer, posters, and social media ad and all of those things. Real writers, I mean serious writers, use this without having to outsource graphics designers. Even if you have never designed anything before, Canva will help you design not just your book covers, mock-ups, social media promotion for your book, and everything that has to do with your book. And you know the best part, we don't gatekeep here. So I'm going to tell you, you can also use Canva to design or create an entire ebook. Yes, from the first cover to the last. You will type on it, you will put your chapters and every beautiful thing you want to see in your book. You can actually achieve that with Canva. And of course, it's available in both the free and the paid version. There you have it. So these are my top 5 writing tools that help me save hours every week. So which one are you using already, or which one would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't miss out on when I have writing tips like this for you.
Please like, share, and subscribe.